Alright, so now the eyes are primed, brows are on. Going in with the BH Cosmetics. This is the little California palette series. I'm taking the palette San Francisco, and I'm going to be applying the black and the crease. Now I'm going to be taking the two browns and I'm going to apply those two browns above the black. Make sure that I blend out any harsh lines that I apply to the crease, because we don't want to be walking around rocking that. No ma'am, we're not claiming that. No honey, we're not about to be walking around with that. So of course I'm going to be doing the usual, cutting the crease. Let me know if you guys don't want to see any other looks other than the cut crease, because I feel like these are becoming competitive now. Let me know in the comments below. Taking this gorgeous burnt orange from the Ruby Kissess palette, and I love this orange eyeshadow. I'll have all the names listed below. I'm just going to apply the orange eyeshadow onto the lid. I thought about doing it halfway, but I was like, this is too gorgeous to be just applying it right there. And I mean, come on. I just went all the way with it. That pretty nice light pink shade in the inner corner, and also I'm going to be applying this gorgeous shade from the Colourpop Element of Surprise. I'll have all shades, you guys, listed below. Don't worry. I mean, I don't have all my palettes with me like right now in front of me. That's why I'm like, I have everything this below, but please check out the description box, okay? But I'm just going to be adding that gorgeous color, and I'm going to be applying it right above. Thought about adding a black, but I was like, this black is just way too much. Like, I don't want to be looking like Raccoon right now. But I went ahead and applied some eyeliner, and then I am going to be applying some lashes. Eyeliner I'm using today is from the Color Workshop. I applied the LA Colors Jumbo Pencil on the lower lash line, so I want the eyes to be more vibrant on lower lash line. And all I did was repeat the same steps on the upper lash line to the lower lash line. Now, I do know this shade right here. This is Opulent, my favorite shade from Elemental Supplies. And I wanted to intensify it. And I just add a little bit of it on the under the brow. And I want to just add a little bit more fun, colorful shade under the brow. Usually I go all matte, but I was like, let's do something different. So I just went and applied that. That should complete the look for the whole eye look. I hope you guys love this look and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.